You wake up to chaos. Earth is spinning like a broken top. The sunrise happens 3 hours early. Then night falls again before lunch. You check your weather app. Summer in New York, winter in Florida, spring in Alaska, all at the same time. Your compass spins wildly. North isn't north anymore. The North Star dances across the sky like a drunk firefly. You stumble outside. The seasons are changing every few weeks now. Snow melts into scorching heat, then back to ice. Your garden dies. Then grows, then dies again. This isn't climate change. This is something far worse. Earth has become a cosmic pinball, and we're all just passengers on a planet that's lost its mind. Here's what happened. The moon vanished. Not dimmed, not eclipsed, gone. And with it went Earth's gravitational anchor. You never thought about the moon as Earth's bodyguard, but that's exactly what it is. Right now, our planet tilts at a perfect 23.5 degrees. This tilt gives us seasons, predictable ones. The moon holds us steady at this angle like a cosmic gyroscope. Without the moon, Earth's tilt goes haywire. We could tip anywhere from 0 degrees to 85 degrees. Imagine Earth lying on its side, the North Pole pointing at the Sunday, Antarctica becoming a tropical paradise while Europe freezes solid. You're watching Earth and Moon dance together right now. They've been partners for billions of years. The Moon pulls on Earth. Earth pulls back. This gravitational tango keeps both partners stable. Remove one dancer and the other stumbles. But the stumbling happens fast. Within hours of the moon disappearing, you notice something wrong. Your day feels different. It should be 24 hours. Instead, it's 18. Then 26. Then 32. Earth's rotation becomes a drunken wobble. You try to navigate by the stars. Bad idea. The North Star moves. It traces wild circles across the sky. Your compass becomes useless. Magnetic north wanders like a lost tourist. GPS satellites lose their minds trying to track a planet that can't decide which way is up. Weeks pass. The seasons start flipping randomly. You experience 4 seasons in a month. Plants can't adapt. Animals migrate in circles. Weather patterns collapse completely. Hurricanes form in December. Blizzards hit in July. The jet stream becomes a tangled mess. You realize something terrifying. This isn't just about wonky weather. Earth itself is becoming unstable in space. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's orbit starts changing. We're no longer locked in our nice, circular path around the Sunday. Our orbit becomes elliptical, unstable. We swing closer to the Sunday, then farther away. Other planets start affecting us more strongly. Mars gives us a gravitational nudge. Venus pulls us slightly off course. Jupiter, that gravitational monster, starts having opinions about Earth's path. You're witnessing cosmic pinball in real time. Earth ricochets between gravitational influences. Sometimes we swing toward the inner solar system, sometimes toward the outer planets. Our climate becomes completely schizophrenic. When Earth swings close to the Sun, oceans boil. Ice caps vanish in weeks. When we drift outward, ice ages happen in months, not millennia. You watch civilizations rise and fall with each orbital swing. The gravitational chaos gets worse. Jupiter's massive influence starts dominating. There's a 50% chance Jupiter flings Earth completely out of the solar system. We become what astronomers call a rogue planet. You watch Earth drift away from the Sunday. The solar system shrinks to a distant point of light. We're alone now, careening through interstellar space at 17 miles per second. No orbit, no seasons. No hope of returning home. Without the sun's warmth, Earth's surface temperature plummets. -200 degrees, -300, eventually -400 Fahrenheit. The atmosphere freezes and falls as snow. Oceans become solid ice miles thick. You and the remaining humans move underground. Deep underground. Near Earth's core, where geothermal energy still provides warmth, you build cities around volcanic vents, grow food using artificial light. This is humanity's future now. Mole people on a frozen world. But here's the mind-blowing part. This isn't science fiction. We can see Earth's future by looking at Mars right now. Mars had 2 tiny moons billions of years ago. They provided some gravitational stability, but they were too small. Mars lost that stability. Its axial tilt varies wildly every 100,000 years. Sometimes Mars tilts 15 degrees. Sometimes 35 degrees. This constant wobbling destroyed Mars's atmosphere. When Mars tilts dramatically, its poles face the sun directly. Ice caps vaporize. Water escapes to space. When Mars straightens up, everything freezes again. This cycle repeated millions of times. Mars became a frozen desert because it couldn't stay stable. Its wobbling tilt created climate chaos that lasted billions of years. Every drop of water eventually boiled away or froze permanently. You're looking at Mars and seeing Earth's future without the Moon. That red, lifeless world isn't alien. It's Earth after cosmic pinball destroys everything. The scariest part? Mars still wobbles today. Its seasons are completely unpredictable. Dust storms engulf the entire planet when its tilt changes. The polar ice caps grow and shrink randomly. Mars is a cautionary tale written in frozen dirt. Now imagine Earth following the same path. Our moon disappears. We start wobbling. Climate chaos begins. Oceans boil, then freeze. The atmosphere slowly bleeds into space. In a billion years, Earth looks exactly like Mars. Red, dead, empty. But there's another possibility. Instead of becoming Mars, Earth gets ejected entirely. We become one of billions of rogue planets drifting through the galaxy. Scientists think rogue planets actually outnumber stars. The universe is full of homeless worlds that lost their gravitational anchors. You float through deep space on a frozen Earth. No Sunday, no moon, no other planets, just endless darkness and cold. The only light comes from other stars impossibly distant. You realize this is the ultimate isolation. Earth becomes a generation ship that no one intended to build. The survivors huddle around geothermal vents for millions of years. They forget what sunlight looks like. They forget about seasons. They forget that Earth was once a blue marble in a solar system. They only know the deep caves and the artificial warmth of volcanic energy. You think about the moon again, that boring crater-covered rock you barely notice each night. It's not just Earth's nightlight, it's our cosmic life preserver. The thing standing between us and the fate of Mars. The anchor that keeps us from becoming another rogue world lost in space. Without the moon, Earth doesn't just lose its tides and its romantic lighting. Earth loses its mind, becomes a wobbling, careening catastrophe that either burns up near the sun or freezes in the cosmic void. So the next time you see the moon, remember this. You're looking at the reason Earth isn't a frozen wasteland drifting alone through interstellar space. You're looking at our planetary bodyguard. Which makes you wonder about all those other planets orbiting distant stars. How many of them are one moon away from cosmic catastrophe?